Hey everyone, I'm Clayfect, and today we are going to talk about The Sims, a video game many of us have loved and adored for decades. And in that game there is a cowplant that lure poor Sims in to be eaten with cake. And that, my friends, is just weird and cute enough for it to be a thing I have to make. But that's not the only thing I'm going to make today.
No! Hello, I'm Mr. Clayfect, and we are going to make the mega monster, magnificent, manly cowplant called Ip.
And as you can hear, Mr. Clayfect is with me today. So without further ado, let's get started.
Ta-da! And this is a cowplant without a head. And then we got it. I can't buy her anything nice.
And I can't make you anything nice. You see, guys, we were going to have these sculptures on our desks. Mine was going to be a cowplant, and Mr. Clayfect, being the retro gamer that he is, was going to have a Mario plant. But what did you do?
I didn't want a Mario plant when you got a cowplant.
Ungratefulness, the audacity!
A cowplant is so much more cool. I wanted a cowplant too, and I wanted Ip.
But then I said to Mr. Clayfect that nobody wanted to watch me making two identical cowplants.
They are not identical. You're making a bull plant and a cowplant.
A bull plant named Ip.
Yeah, Ip.
But anyway, that is why you see me paint one of the parts in this Mario green color.
Yeah, but you changed that later, so that doesn't count. And look at it on the bright side, honey. Now you can make me a Mario plant in a little version for short.
Oh, I'm not going to make you a Mario plant ever.
Yeah, I'm going to make you the pots and then you can't stand it. And then you make it anyway.
I'm not going to make you a Mario plant.
I know you.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Anyway.
No, not yet. Guys, please tell her in the comments she should make me a Mario plant.
Shouldn't we just focus on the cow plants now, please?
You're gonna do it anyway. And as you can see here, when you're making a cow plant, you take a cluster of snakes of clay, and then you stuff them with aluminium. And then you fold them together in a swan neck, and then you got the base of cow plant.
What? That's not at all what I'm doing!
It looks like it.
Yeah, well, it is true, I am using snakes of clay, but on the cow plant they are straight down, while I am twirling them on the bull plant, giving the effect of a beer belly, making this plant a true bull.
So what you're saying is that every male bull figure is fat.
Well, at least Ip is sort of chubby.
Ip is not
Yes.
fat. He's manly.
That's what I say, a manly bull.
He's rocking the daddy body.
Yeah.
And I must say, I'm a bit disappointed. This is not the cowplant I remember.
Well,
The last one I saw was quite more pixelated than this one.
well, the last one was Sims 2, my darling. We are at 4 now.
Yeah, but I think it's not fair. This one actually looks like a plant. And that's not okay.
Well, I actually did make some changes to the number of thorns on the plant thingy. I don't know what's that
The
called.
stem?
Exactly. And also the teeth of the cow plant, because if we see a picture of a cow plant teeth, I mean, come on, that's just lazy design. I love The Sims, don't hate me, but I could do better.
But I have a question.
What?
Where is the cake?
The big question.
And everything about the cowplant I love. You plant a little berry in the ground, then it grows up, become a big plant with a cow head. That if you don't feed it, it will bait you with a cake. So it eats you, chews on you, spits you out, and then you can milk it for your feelings. It's so sadistic and evil. I love it.
And here, guys, you have the answer to why Mr. Clayfect proposed to me.
Yeah. And that is completely true.
You wasn't supposed to agree with me there.
Why not?
Because that's just wrong.
Yeah, you are so sweet when you are a bit sadistic.
What I wanted to explain to you is the reason of the lack of cake is because I didn't want my cow plant to stick out the cake, and then I asked Mr. Clayfect if his bull plant should have a cake, and he just said no. And since he was so stubborn with the Mario plant, I didn't ask any questions.
Breaking news. You heard it here first. Clayfect don't like cake. Please don't hate her too much. She actually does like cake. Very much.
Just stop it, honey.
And I feed her every day.
Contain yourself.
Why? You are perfectly aware that you invited me to help you with the sound, right?
I am beginning to regret it, but yes.
And you said, I quote, I don't know what to say to this, and it's always fun when you are with me.
Oh my god, I was such a fool.
Nah, you're so cute.
I just am trying to get back on track with the sculpting. We almost halfway through it.
Look, that's it.
Somebody please help me.
Everybody, please help Clayfect. She needs her emotional support subscribers. And when you're down there, then just click like and subscribe and all the other things you know what to do.
And thank you to all my beautiful Clayfuls who has already done so. It means the world to us, right honey?
Yeah, it does, and it really helps because the algorithm don't like us.
For some reason, I don't know why.
It's because we are misunderstood. Maybe it's because we're trying to be happy and cheerful and serve the Danish hygge on a plate.
Yeah?
And then we make big scary man-eating plants.
Well, we are Danes, honey. That is what we do.
Yeah, I understand, but I also understand why it's a bit confused.
Yeah, okay, I give you that. Well, maybe it's because I'm always ending up tracing away from what I'm supposed to talk about, even more when you're here, which is the clay and the sculpting.
Now it's my fault.
Yeah, of course it's your fault. It can't be me, I'm perfect.
But you're always talking about that sculpting thing.
Yeah, well, that is true.
You can't talk about it every time.
So I'm not supposed to talk about what I'm doing right now?
Yeah, let's do that. Now you see here, now she's making a milk feelings dispenser. I can't say the B word. I wanted to, but I can't.
Honey, the B word is a whole nother thing. Don't ever say just B word, because then they're going to think you're going to say something completely different, trust me.
What?
I can't say that neither.
Oobies?
No.
I think it's officially called an otter.
The small little animal that's swimming in the lake.
Not that. The cow thing that hangs under them that rhymes with floofies.
Well, one thing is bluebies, and I think there's a lot of them today.
Sometimes I really want to strangle you.
That's called being married, my darling.
Oh yeah.
But back to the sculpture, where I'm now making leaves.
Silver leaves.
Yeah, well, that's actually my own technique to make them a bit more stiff and strong, is to put just a tiny piece of aluminium foil. You think it will not do any difference, but it really does. So that is why with all the bigger leaves, I'm making this clay aluminium sandwich to make them hold, so to speak.
It sounds weird.
Yeah, but it is very effective. I don't know why.
Now, honey, when you got so much experience making plants and leaves, then you can make me my Mario plant.
Oh no, that's not going to happen.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
No, I'm stopping now. No.
I'm going to make you so many small pipes from Mario, then you one day have to make it.
Well, I want a lot of things in life too, honey. Like diamonds and cars.
No, you just want clay. I tried giving you everything. You just say, it's nice and all, but I need more clay.
Well, that might be true, but it's still not going to happen with the Mario plant.
More clay.
No. Now let's focus on my beautiful leaves, where I'm using the softness of the coarse clay to make this beautiful leaf shape for the bull plant. Make it a bit more wild to look at.
Don't talk to me about coarse clay. I hate it. It's soft. It's blah, and as soon as you touch it, it just disintegrate. It's hell on earth. Why do you use it?
Still traumatized, honey.
Yeah, I am. But now we need to talk about the figurine. You have to talk about the figurine sometimes. You can't always just talk about everything else. But I love Ip. He is fantastic. I love how you use toothpick for the small...
I try all the time to talk about the Dawn figurine. You listen to it.
Sorry about her, guys. But I love how she used the small toothpicks to make the small thorns on the figurine. He really became all that I hoped for. He is angry and he is... And I love how he turned out.
Yeah, well, I did have fun with both the Cowplant and the bull plant, but it was just a tiny smidge more fun to be a little bit more creative with the bull plant, I have to say.
Yeah, and see it from that side. How do you make a cowberry when you don't have a bull plant?
You're right, honey, not having a bull plant actually doesn't really make sense, but as an OG Sims player, I would love to see a bull plant in The Sims 4, I have to say.
Yeah, I think EA should take advantage of your design and make a bull plant.
I would be honored. I really would.
Plant? Yeah.
Well, I think I was about 6 or 7 years old when the first Sims game came out, and I sort of stole it from my brother because it was on my brother's computer and I didn't have a computer that could play it. And it was just love at first click, you can say. So I played it all the time when he wasn't doing it.
Yeah, I played a lot of Sims 2, but I was first introduced to Sims when it was the Sims 2.
That is the best game by far compared to how old it is. Yeah. I'm still amazed at it.
And I can remember I bought all the expansion packs, and I think I got a half a meter of them.
Something like that.
That many, it was insane. It took a whole day to install that game.
Oh my god, honey. I just realized we have started painting and we haven't talked about it at all.
Oh, but you have to explain that.
Well, I'm painting.
Yeah, and you're good at it.
Well, first, I used speed paint on both Cowplants, simply to seal the primer in, because I don't know why, but for some reason, the white always shines through when I'm painting green. So that is why I first used a speed paint, because it sort of makes a layer, and then I got to painting.
And then you stab it vigorously with a big brush.
To shade it, my darling.
Ah, that's shading.
Yeah, well, to bring out the details of the leaves and the stem, there's a lot of shading going on.
Yeah, I can see, but I still think you should have asked me. I painted the cowberries.
And you did a very, very good job, but this is a grown-up plant. It's for the grown-up artists.
Oh.
I'm going to sleep with the couch tonight, guys.
Yep. Honey, I think we have to talk about the spots.
No, we don't have to.
Yeah, we have to. Because you were looking at this plant for so long and looking at reference photos and then back at it and then paint it and then nah and then yeah and...
Well, it's nerve-wracking to paint black and white together. It's, if you make a mistake, you have to, commit to the mistake.
It's spots on a cow.
Well, I wanted the spots to be right. And they're not accurate, by the way, guys, because I like my spots better.
Yeah, I like them better too. But no, they're not accurate. Not at all.
No.
But yours are much better.
But now I think, honey, it's time for you to tell everyone why the bull has the color of spots that it does.
Because it couldn't have the same spot as the cowplant.
Why not?
It couldn't be the same.
Couldn't they be equal, you say?
No, it couldn't.
Oh, so you say that a male bull has to have a different, more special set of colors than the female bull?
Yep. It's Ip.
Oh, God.
I think he has to turn out a different way.
I think I have to explain to people that my husband really does believe in equality. Just so you know.
Yeah, of course I do. Just not between cow and bull plant. It's not the same.
Why?
It's not the same.
Because
He's underestimated. He has never been shown before.
He has a beer belly.
Yeah, a little bit. And look, now she's making a mud pie. That's what Clayfect does when she is out of order and thinks I'm stupid, and she just wants to play with something else than clay.
How did you get all that from some wood glue, some dirt, and some paint, honey?
Because you don't make tiny nerdy things.
No, it is no border trick, but I borrow it.
You borrow it?
I
You
borrowed
stole it.
Yeah, but that's what we artists are doing.
Yeah,
but
steal with pride.
But after I was done dripping down some of my liquid dirt, all it needed was a bit of cleanup on the teeth.
And I think that is it for this sculpture and it for this video.
Are you imitating me?
No. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the making of the Cowplant and the mighty bull plant hip with a beer belly.
Yeah, I have to say I really had fun with these sculptures and I do love them on our desks.
But I grown them from a little berry.
Sure did, honey. Sure did. But alas, guys, unfortunately, it's time for us to sign off. We hope to see you next time.
But if you can't wait until next time,
why not click on the square to your right? Stop stealing my stick, honey.
Why?
Because it's mine.
No.
But until then, guys, as we will say here in Denmark, hold da munter.
Hold da munter.